Astronomy Events December 2021. December 2021 has some exciting and most awaited astronomy events for year 2021. The video gives a brief about some top astronomy events of December. December 1, Neptune ends retrograde motion. Neptune will reach the end of its retrograde motion, ending its westward movement through the constellations and returning to more usual eastward motion instead. This reversal of direction is a phenomenon that all the solar system's outer planets periodically undergo, a few months after they pass opposition. This motion was known to ancient observers, and it troubled them as they could not reconcile it with models in which the planets move in uniform circular orbits around the Earth, as they believed. 2nd December. Pheonicd Meteor Shower 2021. The Pheonicd Meteor Shower will be active from 28 November to 9 December, producing its peak rate of meteors around 2 December. Over this period, there will be a chance of seeing Pheonicd meteors whenever the shower's radiant point in the constellation Phoenix is above the horizon, with the number of visible meteors increasing the higher the radiant point is in the sky. 3rd December. Conjunction of the Moon and Mars. The Moon and Mars will share the same right ascension, with the Moon passing 0°41 to the north of Mars. The Moon will be 29 days old. The pair will be visible in the dawn sky, rising at 5:33 Ist, 1 hour and 23 minutes before the Sun, and reaching an altitude of 13 deg above the southeastern horizon before fading from view as dawn breaks around 6:40. The shower is likely to produce its best displays in the hours around 2100 IST, when its radiant point is highest in the sky. 4th December, total solar eclipse. The Moon will pass in front of the Sun, creating a total eclipse of the Sun visible from Antarctica between 10:59 and 15:06 IST. Solar eclipses occur when the Sun, Moon, and Earth are aligned in a straight line, so that the Moon passes between us and the Sun and blocks its light. Each time the Moon orbits the Earth, it comes close to the Sun in the sky as it passes new Moon. If the Moon orbited the Earth in exactly the same plane that the Earth orbits the Sun, it would pass in front of the Sun at new Moon every month. But in fact, the Moon's orbit is tipped up at an angle of 5 deg relative to the Earth's orbit around the Sun. This means that the alignment between the Moon and Sun at new Moon usually isn't exact. Please comment and let us know what you think of our videos. Please subscribe so that you don't miss any astronomy events in future. 6th December, PH Cassopied Meteor Shower 2021. The December PH Cassopied Meteor Shower will be active from 1 December to 8 December, producing its peak rate of meteors around 6 December. Over this period, there will be a chance of seeing December PH Cassopied meteors whenever the shower's radiant point in the constellation Andromeda is above the horizon, with the number of visible meteors increasing the higher the radiant point is in the sky. The shower will be active each day from dusk until around 4:54 when its radiant point sets below your western horizon. 7th December, conjunction of the Moon and Venus. The Moon and Venus will share the same right ascension, with the Moon passing 1°52 to the south of Venus. The Moon will be 3 days old. At around the same time, the two objects will also make a close approach, technically called an appulse. The Moon will be at mag-10.4 and Venus at mag-4.7, both in the constellation Sagittarius. 8th and 9th December, conjunction of the Moon, Jupiter, and Saturn. The Moon, Jupiter, and Saturn will share the same right ascension, with the Moon passing 4 deg 11 to the south of Saturn. The Moon will be 4 days old. At around the same time, the two objects will also make a close approach, technically called an appulse. The pair will become visible around 1816 Ist, 42 deg above your southwestern horizon, as dusk fades to darkness. They will then sink towards the horizon, setting 3 hours and 51 minutes after the Sun at 21:55. The Moon will be at mag-11.0 and Saturn at mag-0.5, both in the constellation Capricornus. 9th December, Monocerotid Meteor Shower 2021. The Monocerotid Meteor Shower will be active from 5 December to 20 December, producing its peak rate of meteors around 9 December. The shower is likely to produce its best displays in the hours around 2:00 IST, when its radiant point is highest in the sky. 14th December, Geminid Meteor Shower 2021. The Geminid meteor shower will be active from 4 December to 17 December, producing its peak rate of meteors around 14 December. Over this period, there will be a chance of seeing Geminid meteors whenever the shower's radiant point in the constellation Gemini is above the horizon, with the number of visible meteors increasing the higher the radiant point is in the sky. The shower is likely to produce its best displays in the hours around 3:00 IST, when its radiant point is highest in the sky. 19th December, full moon. The moon will reach full phase. At this time of the month, it is visible for much of the night, rising at around dusk and setting at around dawn. The cold moon. The sequence of full moons that fall through the year are sometimes assigned names, such as the cold moon, according to the months and seasons in which they fall. 19th December. December Leonids Meteor shower 2021. The December Leonids Meteor shower will be active from 5 December to 4 February, producing its peak rate of meteors around 19 December. The shower is likely to produce its best displays in the hours around 6:00 EDT, when its radiant point is highest in the sky. 21st December, December solstice. 21 December will be the shortest day of 2021 in the Northern Hemisphere, Midwinter Day. This is the day when the Sun's annual journey through the constellations of the zodiac reaches its most southerly point in the sky, in the constellation of Capricornus at a declination of 23.5 degrees. This day is counted by astronomers to be the first day of winter in the Northern Hemisphere. 22nd December, Perseid meteor shower 2021. The Perseid meteor shower will be active from 17 December to 26 December, producing its peak rate of meteors around 22 December. Over this period, there will be a chance of seeing Perseid meteors whenever the shower's radiant point in the constellation Ursa Minor is above the horizon, with the number of visible meteors increasing the higher the radiant point is in the sky. 29th December, conjunction of Venus and Mercury. Venus and Mercury will share the same right ascension, with Venus passing 4-13 to the north of Mercury. Venus will be at mag-4.4 and Mercury at mag-0.7, both in the constellation Sagittarius. 30th December, conjunction of Mercury and Pluto. With Mercury passing 0-13, the pair will become visible around 18:30 Ist, 11 deg above your southwestern horizon, as dusk fades to darkness. They will then sink towards the horizon, setting 1 hour and 18 minutes after the Sun at 1928. Please let us know from which location are you going to watch the last total solar eclipse of 2021. Thanks for watching.